Hi guys, welcome back to Family Life Daily Ideas, where you can learn different tips and tricks for your daily family life. Would you like your kitchen to look just like this? Just as shiny, clean, and fresh? Look no further, this is the vlog for you. I'm sure if you look in your kitchen cabinet, you will find many different cleaning products. You do not have to go out there and purchase all of these different cleaning products. Today, I will show you two very safe ingredients you can use to clean your stove. After preparing a very greasy meal, you can have a lot of buildup on your stove, just like this one. The first ingredient, it's baking soda. Yes, you heard me right, baking soda. With this ingredient, when we add it to the other product, it will cause a reaction that will soak up all of that grease. Peroxide is the next ingredient. When we add both of these ingredients together, baking soda and the peroxide, it will soak that grease up, and all you have to do is just wipe. Watch me clean my stove. Look at that shine already, and I'm not even done. With a damp cloth, go ahead and wipe down your stove. Remove all of that grime and slime. Guys, give this a try. You're not using harsh products. Baking soda and peroxide are two natural and safe products you can use while cleaning your stove. They do not produce or give off any dangerous fumes. Please guys, give this a try and let me know the outcome. And there you have it, a very clean and shiny stove. We did not use any harsh products, any products with fumes. Please feel free to give this a try. And if this video was informative to you, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I will see you in our next video. Family Life Daily Ideas.